Step number 1, watch a video. Step number 2, write a review for that video. Step number 3, make $15 for that video. So now let me tell you the easiest way to make money online. So first of all, get to Google and type in animationarena.com and then come down and click on get paid to write video. Each review will need to be a minimum of 550 words. They pay $15 for each review with a maximum of 10 reviews per month. But here is a very simple trick. If you want to make more than 10 reviews each month, all you have to do is to make more Gmail accounts. But with one Gmail account, you can make $150 each month. To write a review, send an email to arenamaster@animationarena.com. In subject of that email, you must writing for Animation Arena 2011. In the message, answer the following questions: your name, age, what subjects would you like to review, your favorite TV shows, what games you like to play, what comic books do you usually read, and your top 5 movies of 2010. There is another website which pays a little bit less than animationarena.com, but if you are still interested, then let me tell you, it's Cashkick.com. Cashkick has plenty of small tasks you can choose from. This includes watching videos, playing games, and of course taking opinion polls or surveys. All you have to do is to register yourself on Cashkick.com and start working from today and start receiving money through PayPal. If you have any questions, write in the comment box down here. Remember to like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you later.